Hello dosto, welcome to Chalaki Read Between the Lines. Recently, we heard the Prime Minister announce that they are withdrawing the 3 farm laws. The cabinet also withdrew it in the winter session of the parliament in both the houses. And a lot is being seen through the eyeglass of political compulsion. Political compulsion. What does it even mean? Rahul Gandhi explained, अरे भैया हमने तो पहले ही कहा था ये बिल तो गवर्नमेंट को वापस लेना ही पड़ेगा. The Congress is jubilant. The ministers say it is not his stand on farm laws alone that stand vindicated. His words of caution on COVID-19 outbreak and adverse impact of demonetization had also turned out to be true. अच्छा, farm laws का COVID-19 और demonetization से क्या संबंध है भाई? Have you heard the saying? बहती गंगा में तो कांग्रेस ही नहीं सब ऑपोजिशन पार्टीज भी हाथ धोएंगी, राइट? वी हैव गिवन द लार्जेस्ट नंबर ऑफ वैक्सीन्स एंड द डेथ रेट इज एट द लोएस्ट सिंस द बिगिनिंग, नो? ओह, फार्म लॉस, फोकस. कांग्रेस मैनिफेस्टो में रिमूवल ऑफ ऑल मिडलमैन एंड द क्लोजर ऑफ एपीएमसीज हैव आल्सो बीन मेंशन्ड, बट नाउ ऑफ कोर्स द टाइड हैज चेंज्ड. I would like to reiterate that the 3 farm bills were actually very progressive, and some farmers from our north belt aside, a lot of farmers in the northeast, west and southern parts of our country actually welcomed them. MSP Act or Minimum Support Price Act for all the produce of the farmers was absent, and honestly it was a big lacuna or the missing piece in the 3 farm laws. But now, instead of correcting the wrongs, the right has been wrong completely. इसका मतलब यह है कि हमने जो सही किया उसमें से गलतियों को सुधारने के बजाय हम जो सही किया उसे ही खत्म करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. खैर, that there are elections in Punjab and UP coming up in early 2022 is a fact. That the BJP has realized that the farmers' agitation is doing them more harm. For instance, the breakaway leader from Punjab Congress, Captain Amarinder Singh, has now announced a tie-up with BJP and his newly formed party Punjab Lok Congress to fight the elections in Punjab. Shiromani Akali Dal, who broke away from NDA for the same reason, is now in alliance with Bahujan Samajwadi Party for fighting in Punjab. The incumbent Congress government is now in a quandary since they have lost the winning chance after the departure of the most successful Congress CM, Captain Amarinder Singh, in recent times, and also because of the repeal of farm laws, it has them stumped. In other words, अब कोई इशू ही नहीं रहा उनके पास. फार्म लॉज रिपील होने के बाद और कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह के जाने के बाद अब तो उनके पास कोई मुद्दा ही नहीं रहता है. They are really in a big problem. In Uttar Pradesh, the announcement of the 3rd largest airport in the world, Jewar Airport in Noida, or the multi-lane highways constructions, or dazzle of Film City, well, will it not be enough to fight the formidable force of alliances in UP? Let's see. The biggest competitor, Akhilesh Yadav, led Samajwadi Party, has tied up with Rashtriya Lok Dal, Aam Aadmi Party, and possibility of tying up with Asaduddin Owaisi led AIMIM, forming a grand alliance. Mamata Banerjee has announced that UPA, United Progressive Alliance, also known as Congress and other parties, are dead politically and wants to create a non-Congress opposition. That, of course, it doesn't help the prospects of the grand old party. इसका ये मतलब है कि both TMC and Aam Aadmi Party have set out to finish the Congress as the largest opposition in the country. Well, the only piece left now is BSP's Mayawati. She has steered clear of any alliance, hoping she maximizes her chances and subsequently looks at the post-poll alliances if required. Khair, the beauty of politics in this country is that unlike the other two major superpowers in the world, the US and the UK, they have a two-party contest largely. Our country has a multi-dimensional elections. The Democrats and the Republicans in the US, the Conservatives and the Labour in the UK basically divide the voters in the country. In India, we have such strong regional parties, and with the Congress vote share dipping from 20% in the last Lok Sabha elections, every regional party, especially the TMC and the Aam Aadmi Party, want to replace the Congress as the strongest opposition. For us voters, when you invest in your government, as carefully as you invest in any financial product, mutual fund, shares, properties, gold, please read the documents, manifesto of the party carefully before investing, voting. समझे?